The ultimate in easy starting and performance. No more pulling for power. This is the Briggs Stratton 675 IS INSTART series engine, made in the USA of US and global parts. Easiest starting ever with the Briggs Stratton INSTART. Just charge, clip in the battery and mow with Briggs Stratton lithium-ion battery technology. Easiest maintenance with just check and add. No need to change the oil, just check regularly and top up when required for the life of the engine. 9.8 Newton meters of gross torque powers your mower blade to make short work of long grass. The higher the torque, the stronger the engine. Experience quieter cutting performance with the super low-tone muffler. Easy lightweight maneuverability, 30% lighter than equivalent models. All our engines are backed by the comprehensive Briggs Stratton dealer network. With more than 20,000 dealers located throughout Europe, there is always a dealer near you. It's ingenious, it's innovative, it's INSTART. For effortless engine starting with the 675 IS INSTART engine from Briggs Stratton. More power, easy maintenance and lightweight with just check and add. The new advanced technology 675 IS gives you the power to get it done. Briggs Stratton. You powered.